Here's a quick video for those of you who have maybe a couple-year-old robot vacuum and mop that has the auto empty in the base, but you get tired of filling this up with water and emptying the base station. Here's a quick DIY, which was not very expensive, didn't take very long to do, and has been working in my house for a couple months now. Literally, I went in the laundry room because I wanted to be in a spot that honestly people don't see very much, and it is still connected to my main living area. But literally all I did is, and I can put this in the description, I put a coffee autofill. Literally, it just has the float in there, and it autofills. And of course, being next to my washing machine, I have water and a drain right there. I built that fitting just from pieces that I had, where in line on my cold water, I'm tapping off this press fit 1/4-inch tube that goes right in here. And those parts are really easy to get either at Home Depot or whatnot. And the trickier one was the drain. So the waste tank, how it functions is this tank has to be airtight because it sucks air out of this guy, creating a vacuum inside the tank, and that's what sucks the dirty water and dumps it into this tank. Now, what I have in there's the mechanism there. What I have in there is just a little condensate pump. Again, I'll include that in the description. It was like 20 bucks from Amazon. And that guy sits at the bottom. It has two little, see that little bump sticking up? It has two little sensors for high and low water levels. And that's what tells it to turn on the pump and not turn on the pump. It came with this flexible tubing, which I literally just stuck in the drain right next to my washing machine drain. I just slipped it down the side. Pro tip though, you need a one-way valve, a check valve in there. This one actually, I got it because I can unscrew it and take it apart to clean it, but I've never needed to. It's actually for diesel fuel in a car. So, I mean, it doesn't need to be anything specific. I drilled this hole to be slightly smaller in diameter than the tube and squeezed it through it. And then I took a 1/8 inch bit, or maybe it might have been a little bit smaller than that, whatever. I matched it to the power cord and just kind of drilled and made a little slot, put it through. I didn't need to silicone it in it or anything. It's close enough to being airtight that the system functions. So for less than 40 bucks, I took my Dreame L10S and made it completely automated to where the only thing I need to do is maybe once a month I need to change my bag, which looks like it's, yep, well, no. Getting to be time to change that maybe in a bit. But very quick, easy, out of the way to DIY retrofit an old vacuum mop robot to be fully automated. Hope this helps.